Today I'm going to show you how to make a scrunchie out of a t-shirt. You will need a t-shirt, some elastic, this is 1/4 inch elastic, and some safety pins, some scissors, or something to cut with, a sewing machine, and thread. So to start off with, we will cut our t-shirt down. This is an extra large t-shirt that I got on clearance for $1. So I'm just going to cut a strip off of the bottom. So I'm going to cut off this edge right here, the finished edge. And then I'm going to measure about 4.5 inches. So right about here. And this will be our tube. So while I'm cutting, I'm going to trim off the edges and make them square. See, it's kind of on an angle, so I'm just going to make it square. And the same with the other side. And we'll use this. Oh, didn't quite cut. Let's fix that. Okay, so this is going to make 2 scrunchies from the top and the back of the t-shirt. So let's take one of these pieces and we'll begin by just folding it just a little bit like this on the edge, and we're going to sew right along here. Next, we're going to take this, we're going to turn it this way so that this raw edge is on the outside. We'll fold it in half lengthwise and we will sew along this edge right here. We're going to turn this right side out, and an easy trick that I found to do this is to take a safety pin, attach it to the edge, and then push that safety pin through the tube. And as it goes, it will pull all the fabric through with it, and it will come out really quickly and easily. Just like that. Next, we'll cut a 7-inch piece of elastic. Using the same safety pin, we're going to attach the elastic to this end of the scrunchie, and then we'll take another safety pin onto the other end of the elastic, and then we'll use that to slide the elastic through the scrunchie. So the elastic is through, and we'll remove the safety pins. Don't lose hold of the elastic or you'll have to start over again. Done that the hard way. So then we will take these 2 ends and we will overlap them and zigzag stitch to secure the elastic. I like to come from the back side. It seems it's just a little bit easier to get it in the right spot for some reason. And then just zigzag. I like to go forward and backward a few times. Lastly, we'll just insert this raw edge inside of the edge that we finished, and then we'll sew it together. So I like to make sure that the scrunchie is not twisted up before I sew it. See it right here? It's like this seam is on the outside, but right now it's on the inside over here. We need to flip it around so it's all facing the same direction. And then another thing I like to do, just so it's not this big, huge, long line, I sometimes just kind of fold it in a little bit, and it seems to just make it look prettier. Okay, we'll go back to the straight stitch, and we'll just stitch along this line right here, and then we'll be done. have it, a quick and easy scrunchie made from a t-shirt.